Alyssa. I hope you guys are having a super good day. So as you guys know, I recently, like super recently yesterday, just got back from a road trip. So I have a lot of unpacking and cleaning today, so I'm gonna do all of that in this video. And I'm gonna show you guys what's in my dresser drawers because I don't think you guys have ever even seen that before. So I have this bag and that bag, and then of course I have my Halloween costume because we did Halloween on our road trip also, so I have to put all of this stuff away, and there's even like a sleeping mask. I don't know, I'll just put that over on my bed. I think first I'm gonna start with something simple, so I'm just gonna put these little costume decorations away really fast. So of course my scrunchie will go in here, and then in here. This is a kind of cool little drawer, isn't it? Okay, well, I'm gonna put this necklace in there. There we go. And I'm gonna put this one up here. Oh look, I just got this scrunchie and this cute little mirror thing today. Isn't that so cute? It's like super shimmery. So I was just thinking, my bathroom counter is kind of dirty. Like, what if I clean it? You know what? I'm gonna do that as soon as I finish unpacking. So yeah, that'll be fun. I know a lot of people like hate cleaning, but I'm one of those weird ones who actually kind of likes cleaning. Like, I don't know, it's kind of satisfying. I just kind of like it. Okay, so my strategy for doing this, I'm gonna pick something out. I'm gonna see if it's dirty or clean. Most of it's probably clean, but then I'm gonna take it out and put it in whichever drawer it goes in. So hopefully I will get that done fast. I hope. Okay, so this is my shorts drawer. I literally have like hardly any pairs because I keep growing and I've just grown out of so many shorts. I have like hardly any left. So I have this one, a skirt, 2 more shorts. In fact, this one is actually even too big. I have a couple over here, and then this is my other shorts drawer. Like not very full, like a couple skirts, like just like hardly anything, but yeah. Okay, so I have a bathing suit shirt, I'll put it over here. A shirt, I'm just gonna put them in piles and then I'll fold them and stuff. Another bathing suit. Oh, socks, I was actually looking for these, but here they are. Okay, so everything is out of this bag. It's all just in messy piles, but right now, I'm gonna organize it. Okay, so I have all of it laid out and folded, and I realized, wait, there's only like 2 shirts and 1 shorts. Wait, what? I was confused, but then I realized that most of it is still being washed right now since we just got home. So yeah, I guess that's where most of my clothes went. So yeah, so socks, underwear, shorts, shirts, bathing suits, which I have a ton of because we went to a water park, and then my very lonely 1 pair of pajama shorts. Oh yes, I almost forgot. I have this pantsuit, which is very sad because I totally forgot to wear it on the trip, and that makes me sad. But I'm gonna wear it soon, so that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna put everything away, starting with my pajamas since it's right here. Wait, that's the shirt pajamas. I need my short pajamas. Right there. All of my bathing suits, and we're gonna take these over here. By the way, my room is really messy right now, so no judging. Okay, all my bathing suits. Oh look, there's a little fox and a pillow. I don't know why that's there. See, my room is messy, no judging. Okay, let's put some of them in here. Right there. Okay, let's get my socks too. Right there. So I'm done with this bag. Now I'm gonna get everything out of this bag, which I practically forgot was in here, but I guess we're gonna find out. Oh, yes, I remember. Okay, I kept some of my clothes in here. So yeah, let's unpack that. Okay, so far what was in this bag is a shirt, shorts, jeans, my costume that might need to be washed, and then 2 pairs of shoes, a headband, and a bathing suit top. I don't really know why. I also have this really cute sweatshirt that I brought. Okay, I'm gonna go put these away. So this one will go in here. This will go in here. And this one will go down here with all the other Mickey ears. If it will fit, I hope. You know what? I'm just gonna put it right there for now. I don't know. I decided my hair was messy, so I just brushed it right now because I don't know, I hate when my hair is messy. Am I the only one that like every 5 minutes brushes their hair? I don't know if it's only me or if you guys do it too, but literally I will go to my bathroom just so I can brush my hair like every 5 or 10 minutes. I don't know. Like, is there something wrong with me? And before I continue unpacking and cleaning, I was gonna show you guys. I recently finished this really big art piece. It's right there it is. So it's like a big dragon, and tell me if you see the fox. It's right there. Right there. Isn't it so cute? So it's like way bigger than you might think. So that's my hand compared to it, and it was done in all watercolor. It was very fun to do. It did take a really long time, like 3 or 4 days at least. Okay, so I'm gonna go put my jeans away really fast. I'm pretty sure they're clean, so yes. They go right in here. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go hang this and this up in the closet. Okay, I got that one hung up, and this one too. Okay, so I just took this, which seems to have a lot of stuff in it, out of this bag, so this is now empty. And I also found this headband in there, so I'm gonna have to put that away. And it looks like just some bathing suits that, I don't know why they're in there, but yeah. And okay, I have no idea where I got this, but it's hair chalk, so yeah. I don't know why we brought it, but we did. Okay, the last thing in here was a jean jacket and, oh, one more thing, my lip gloss. So I think that's all that's in here. Now this bag is empty, but isn't this like the cutest bag? Like, I literally love this bag so much. It's like, it's sparkly, it's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go put these things away first. Okay, so I have everything unpacked except 2 pairs of shoes. So I have my shoes in these cool little shoe bags so the bottom of your dirty shoes don't get everywhere when you're packing. And you just keep them in a bag. It's pretty cool. See what I mean? It can be pretty dirty. And you don't want that all over your clothes. So I'm gonna go put these back away in the garage right now, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and now I'm gonna put all of my bags that I brought away where they go. I'm like one of those super crazy bag ladies that had like a million bags. So yeah, I'm gonna put them away in my closet. It was too hard to record while I was putting them away, but they're put away. I don't know why, but it smells like chicken nuggets right now. Maybe someone's making dinner? I don't know. So right now, I'm gonna show you guys something really cute that I just got in the mail, like super cute. And then I'm gonna clean my bathroom counter because I just can't stand how dirty it is. Okay, maybe it's not that dirty, but it just needs to be cleaned up. So I got these very cute little pizza blankets where you wrap up the little animals in it, and it's like so cute. They're called Cutitos. And look, cheese pizza, pepperoni, and meat. It looks like, is that ham? I don't even know. And I don't really know what that is, but it looks gross. And then pepperoni, but I like cheese out of all these 3. And apparently there was a pineapple one and I didn't get it. So I was pretty sad, but I'm gonna tell you a funny story about ham on pizza. So this is like so cute, isn't it? Okay, anyways, so the other day we ordered pizza and there was one that we didn't order, we just bought it, I don't know. But there was one with ham and pineapple, not just pineapple. Because I like mine with just pineapple and cheese and maybe olives. But this one had ham on it, so I took the piece, I was like picking off all the ham just so I can get the pineapple, you know, I love pineapple. And then I ate a bite and I was like, ew, what is that? And then it turned out to be ham and I was like, ugh, that's disgusting. So I spit it out in the sink and I was like, that is so gross. But then I continued to eat my lovely pineapple pizza and it was good. So yeah, I don't know. Funny story. Also, look, all these mini blankets came with a giant pizza one. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a pepperoni pizza and it looks really cool on the ground. Okay, let's go clean my bathroom counter right now. But first, I have to go get the supplies. Okay, so I'm pretty much ready to clean my bathroom counter. I'm so excited because it's gonna look so clean and perfect when it's done. And in case you noticed, I changed shirts because I changed it to something that I wouldn't care if I got dirty or anything. It's better for cleaning. And I got my hair out of my face. So that's perfect. And now I got my cleaning supply and my towels. I guess cleaning supplies, but here we go. So of course I have to remove everything from my counter and it's easiest if I put it on the rug. Next for the earrings, these ones are very tricky. Ah, perfect. Oh my gosh, you can like already kind of see like how dirty it is, so I'm so excited for this to be done. And oh, by the way, I got this. Isn't it so pretty? Okay, so I have removed everything from my bathroom counter and look how clean it looks. I mean, not like clean, but like from far away it looks clean, but like from close up, it's just really gross. So time to clean. Okay, so first up, you gotta spray it down. Now I'm wiping it down. It's so dirty. So it's pretty much done. I just have to dry it a little bit more and then I'm gonna put everything back. And I might clean my sink out a little bit too. Okay, so I just cleaned my mirror and now it is all done. I'm so happy. And now it's time to put everything back. And before I do, I was thinking some of them, like the lotions that I never use, they get dusty. So I'm gonna like dust those off. But I decided I have way too much stuff on my counter, so I'm gonna try to like, I don't know, have less stuff, if that makes sense. Yay! So my bathroom is all clean. I'm so happy that it's done. I think it looks a lot cleaner than before. I might make some changes, like move some of that over there. Like, I'm not like done for life or anything. Like, it's just clean for now. Like, I think it's pretty good. So I really hope you guys liked watching my video today, and make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you aren't. And of course, subscribe on YouTube if you're not already, because I hope you are. And I already know I said that you have to leave a thumbs up, but especially leave a thumbs up if you think this was a good video, which I did, I think. But I'll see you guys later. I hope you have an amazing day, and see you in my next video. Bye guys!